Morning everybody, standard 7 subject social science chapter 8 medieval architecture। ये चैप्टर आज का आपका न्यू है जो मैं आज आपको एक्सप्लेन कराऊंगी और इसके जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो करवाऊंगी, ठीक है, जो आपको करने हैं। The present unit is about the wonderful medieval architecture. The information is given about the temple of Somnath, Dwarkadesh temple, Sun temple of Modhera, Rudra Mahalya, etc. Architecture of the Mughal period and Delhi Sultanate is also described in detail here. The main of the unit is that the students should know about the glorious heritage of our architecture. Reading this lesson, students will increase the understanding of art and culture. Why do people come to see Qutub Minar, Red Fort and the Taj Mahal? The students will try to understand this. अभी ये चैप्टर आपको इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है जो टेम्पल्स हैं अपने उनके बारे में। अभी है उसमें है गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द प्लेसेस गिवन बिलो। नंबर 1 है सोमनाथ। द सोमनाथ टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड इन प्रभास पाटन नियर वेरावल इन जूनागढ़, सौराष्ट्र ऑन द वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ गुजरात. It is one of the 12 Jyotirling sins of Lord Shiva. It was one of the most ancient, prosperous and important pilgrimage centers of Shivism. Its details are also given in the Mahabharata. The construction of new temple was completed by 1951. Next, number 2 है द्वारका. Dwarka is situated in Jamnagar district near the coast of Gujarat on the northern banks of the river Gomti. Constructed in the 13th century, the temple became part of the Char Dham pilgrimage considered sacred by Hindus in India. It consists of the four-armed deity of Lord Krishna within the Garbhagriha and a Mahamandap. There are 80 steps to attain entry into this temple. Its shikhar rises to 6 stories. The main mandap is 5-storied structure built on 16 pillars. The temple has rich carving on its outer walls, but the interiors are relatively plain. There is a mutt of Srimad Shankaracharya near the temple called Sharda Mutt. Next है Rudra Mahalya. Rudra Mahalya is a historical monument located in Shivpur in Patan district on the bank of Saraswati River, the northern Gujarat. This magnificent temple dedicated to Lord Shiva called the Rudra Mahalya. It was constructed by the Mulraj Solanki and then completed by Sri Siddharaj Jai Singh, the then ruler of Patan. The temple was an architectural wonder with 3-story shikhars, 1,600 pillars, 12 entrance doors, central mandap and ports on the east, north and south and stadium in the west. Next is Siddhi Sayyad Jali. The Siddhi Sayyad Mosque is one of the most famous mosques of Ahmedabad. Located near Lal Darwaja, it was built by Siddhi Sayyad, a general in the army of the last Sultan Shahabuddin Muzaffar Shah III of the Gujarat Sultanate. The mosque is entirely arcade and it's famous for beauty. फतेहपुर सिकरी. नेक्स्ट आपका क्या है फतेहपुर सिकरी. आफ्टर हिज मिलिट्री विक्टोरीज ओवर चित्तौर रणथंबोर, अकबर decided to shift his capital from Agra to a new location. On the Sikri risks of the honor, the sufficient Salim Kisti shares the commence the construction of a plan. Next है Red Fort. The Red Fort was built as the fortified family palace of Shahjahanabad, capital of the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. The Red Fort in considered represent the zenith of Mughal creativity under the Shah Jahan and consists of the important structures such as the Diwan-e-Azam, Diwan-e-Khas, Moti Masjid, Hayat Bakhsh Bagh and Rang Mahal. Next है Taj Mahal. It is located at the bank of Yamuna river at Agra city in Uttar Pradesh. It was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his third wife Mumtaz Mahal. It is made with white marble. The Taj Mahal is regarded as the finished example of Mughal architecture and is considered as one of the seven wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is widely recognized as the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired मास्टरपीसेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड्स हेरिटेज। ये आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन हो गई जो टेम्पल है जो अपने, ठीक है। अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं इसके आपके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और ब्रीफली करवाऊंगी, ठीक है।